Hi children, today we are discussing about the story sums in subtraction. Before classes also I told. Before class we are applying two symbols. Okay, means what? Subtraction and the answer check with the addition video. Okay, what we did difference that is the correct or not. With the applying of difference and second number we did, if the answer should be is equal, then the answer will be is a correct. The whatever we process we did, that is a correct. Today the story sums already before session I explained, but one more time we are discussing this about the story sums or word problems we will say. See what I told, whenever we are solution, whatever we are doing the solution in the word problems or story sums, first we have to read clear the what he gave in the question. First we can understood the question. After understand what he gave, statements we have to convert it into statements we will write. After statement, conclusion should be what he is asking. He is asking difference or total. If total is asking means we should do division. If differences is asking is we have to do subtraction, or if two things he gave, the total things and one thing he gave, second thing also we have to find like that. Missing thing, missing whatever it will be is there in the solution. Whatever subject is this, that subject value also we have to do. See here, next an examination, 50,000 to 75 students are appeared. See children, total number of students, how many students are exams they appeared means they wrote. How many are there? 50,275. How much should be? 50,275 they wrote in the examination. The next one, such statement should be there. The second one, 35,486. 35,486 the students passed in the examination. This is the passed students. Okay, then how many students are failed? Okay, how many students are failed we have. In that appeared students total it will be, we have to divide it into two parts. One is the failed students, it will be, one is the passed student. In the two statements, failed students he didn't give, passed student he gave. Means what? Failed students how to find in the total number of students how many are attended in the exam. In that we have to subtract those who are passed, in examination. Those who are merit in examination we will consider. See your first statement what you have to write. Statements we have to write. Number of students appeared in examination. Total number of students. Number of students appeared in examination. How many students are there? Should be 50,275 members are appeared. 50,275 students are appeared. Next one he gave, next one it will be number of students passed. Number of students are passed. How many are there? Number of students passed. Number of students passed regarding merit means what? How much should be that? It will be 35,486. These are the appeared students, these are the passed students. Next what he gave, start statement what he gave, how many students failed? How many students failed in examination? How many students are failed in examination? Means what it will be? How many are attended? In that we have to subtract passed student. Okay, those who are passed, in those are passed in this one. we have to subtract. What we have to know? We have to write number of students failed. Number of students failed. Passed student, the total student minus total students minus failed passed students. Total students how many are there? 50,275 minus 35,486. 50,275 minus, next it will be 35,486. We can subtract it. Subtracting we have to do right side one column, it will be margin. In that margin we have to do rough work. In 5 we can't remove 6, then we have to take borrow from the before number. 7 is become a 6, 5 is become a 15. 15 minus 6 is a 9. 15 minus 6 is a 9. Then in 6, 8 can't remove. Then take borrow. 2 is become a 1. 6 is become a 16. 16 minus 8, it will be 8. In 1, 4 we can't take borrow from the before number. Before number is a 0. Again we have to take it from the before number. 5 is become a 4. It will be borrow 10. Again we to borrow from here to here. That's why 10 is become a 9. 1 is become 11. 11 minus 4, it will be 7. 11 minus 4, it will be 7. Then again it will be 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Total how much should be? It will be is there? 14,789. 14,789. How many students are failed in the examination? 14,789 students are failed in the examination. Total how many wrote? 50,275 they wrote. In that how many passed? 35,486 passed. Then how many are failed? 14,789 students were failed in the examination. This is the, like this way we have to do the solution of the story sums, or we can write the, which ones is a word process. Then one more it will be. Second thing, see the right side of the board. See, the population of a city is 84,935. 84,935. Like out of that, there are 45,940 and 947 are males. What is the number of females in that city? First, what he gave total number of students. If for example in the class what we have to do, one girls and boys should be is there. Total number of students in the class, if we will take 30, 15 is boys. Remaining girls how many are? It will be same, like it will be 30 minus 15. It will be 15 also girls. By the same way, total he gave. Number of males are there in the city they gave. Then how many females are there we have to find. Now we have to write solution. What we have to write? The total population of a city. Total population of a city is equal to 84,935. Means what is that? 84,935 in that males are there and females also is there. The number of males is equal 45,947. Okay now, number of males is equal 45,945. Next what he is asking now? He is asking females. Number of females. Number of females is equal how much he gave? To population, total population minus total population minus males population. Total population minus males population. Total population is how much now? 84,935 minus 45,947. We have to do the subtraction from the total minus males. total it will be, we have to write how much? 84,935. Then how many are there? 7, 4, 9, 5 and 4. We have to do subtraction from the total from males from the total. We can't remove from the 5 to 7. 3 is become a 2, 5 is become 15. 15 it will be is a how much? 8. Okay, then we can't remove from 4. Then 8 take borrow. 9 is become 8. 2 is become 12. 12 minus 4 it will be is a 8. Again we can't remove from 8. Take borrow. 4 is become a 3. 8 is become 18. 18 minus 9 9. Again we can't take it borrow here. From here 8 is become a 13. 13 minus 5 is a 8. 7 minus 4 is a. How much it will be females? Females population is 38,998. 38,988. Which one is there? This one? Female population. This is the female population. Isn't it, children? This way we have to do the subtraction of the story sums. Isn't it clear? Okay, thank you, children. Next session I will explain about the remaining part.